Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to loop a YouTube video on your phone. So let's start. First open the YouTube app. Now search for a video you want to play on loop. Before moving forward, remember, if you want to play a video on loop from your phone, you have to do a little bit of work. Now let's first say I want to play this video on loop. Now save it to a playlist and name the playlist Loop and tap Create. Now go to your library from bottom right corner, and if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see the playlist you have just created here. Now tap on that. Now tap on the red play button to play the video. And the video will start playing. Now tap on the name of the playlist and you'll see a loop option here. Tap on that. And now this video will keep playing on loop. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.